Yep.
Alright. This is my Uncle Ken's Remington 1100 shotgun he gave me. He just passed away about a week ago, actually. He gave me his rifle. I put a rifled slug barrel, so I got a couple barrels for it. I got one over there in the stocks. It's just the duck hunting barrel, choke barrel. It's a rifled slug barrel. And we're set up here at about, what was it, 37 yards?
Yeah.
Something like that. A little homemade slug I made last night. I molded up just on the mold, but anyways. And we're going to see if we can get this thing on the paper. All right. I actually just put it right through the same hole that I did the first shot. I did another shot off camera, and I just put it through the same fucking hole. I'll show you guys later. So there it is, Remington 1100, rifled slug barrel. Love you, Uncle Ken. And maybe we'll do a little 5-shot salute here in a second. Okay. Pretty accurate for a slug. Okay. You got that on film? Yeah, so there it is. That's what a 12 gauge can do at 37 yards with a homemade slug. 2 times in a row. You know, I think my Uncle Ken's maybe giving me a little bit of help. Smiling down at me from up top there, you know, Kenny. So anyways, he always hunted deer or duck with this gun. I've turned it into a deer gun because that's all we're allowed to hunt on Salt Spring where I grew up. But all that being said, it is still a 12 gauge and it still will shoot what I'm about to shoot, which is just regular shot. And I'm going to shoot all 5. Ken. So here, come on down over here and I'll try and shoot those. Alright. Here we go. Missed.